Okay, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Subscribe if you have not subscribed. The topic of discussion is what we seen on your called differentiation of differential function. So I'll start with polynomial definition of polynomials. First of all, with polynomial, that y is x or xj, third form of a polynomial. An expression is a power, and so n can 3, and so I have what's the power. So dy over ds of this polynomial will give me the power is x to be x, and the power is subtracted 1. So now this is the value of differentiation. So I have it to show what I'm trying to. So I have the first example being y equals to x over 3, then dy over dx equal to 3 is x minus 1 is dy over x will be 3 square. That is the answer of the example. The second example, which is B, given y is equal to square root of x. So how can I find the value of this expression? So I have to change the plan of it for me to be able to further the difference of this particular function. So you know that this is with y equal to then the y the x function over 2 times x over 2 1. So you know we have y over x will give you 1 over 2 times x. 1 over 2 minus will give us half. So this thing now will give me dy over dx just to over 2x raised to minus half. This can further be simplified to be dy over dx equal to 1 over 2 times over x raised to half. So y over dx equals this multiply together 1 over x raised to power half. And we can still bring it to the original form so long as it has a power. So it will be now the y over x equal to over 2 root of x. So answer. So another example, we have another example here. In that y is equals to 1 over x raised to power. So let's find the dy. So for us to find the ds now, we're still going to laws of index, which is the law of negative index, because there is a of 1 there. So we now have y will be equal to 1 that is our denominator. We introduce negative sign at the power to have minus 3. So now the y x will give you minus 3 times minus. So dy over dx is equals to minus 3 x raised to, because power is the negative power sign, we can still remove that negative by introducing the denominator. We now have dy over x is equal to 3 over x is equal to minus 3 over x raised to power as your answer. Okay, the last example on the list is that y equals to x. How can we the differentiate particular form? So we have to apply laws of indices here. But when you apply the laws of indices here, then we proceed with our differentiation. So now in this case, we have y will now be equal to x raised to power 2 times 1 over 3, because we have cube root, not square root. That's why this 1 over 3 is coming at the power part. There is already 2 at the power part, square at the power part, but because of the cube root that is attached to that x square, it will still come at the power part, introducing 1 over 3 at the power part. If it is square root, it will introduce 1 over 2. If it is fourth root, it will introduce 1 over 4. So as a result of that, we're now going to have y equals to x raised to power 2 over 3. Then dy over dx will be equals to the power will come 2 over 3 x 2 over 3 minus 1, which will give me 2 over 3 x. When 2 over 3 minus, so 1 is subtracted from 2 over 3, to give you minus 1 over 3. Now give me dy over dx equal 2 over 3 times 1 over x raised to power 1 over 3. Now have 2, 3, which will be 3 x raised to power 1 over 3. This thing can finally be over. So this thing can finally give us the answer to be y over this will be equals to 2 over 3. Then cube roots, remember root of x. Let me put it clear. 2 cube root there is cube root of x. So, and so watch free get to try you this thing, you now subscribe to watch the video and be educated based on the you have listened. Try as much as to subscribe, and God will bless you.